Hello, Cameron and instructors. This is Team 9130, and right now we'll be demoing our Sprint 2 output. Basically, this demo, we worked on implementing QR code detection for event check-in for the mobile app, as well as creating the web portal that administrators are going to use in order to register events. So in terms of our issues, that would be the manual event creation through the web portal, the admin account creation, the event overview on the web portal, and the QR code generation for the events that happens in the backend. So now, here's the web app we created. Right now we don't have a user, so we'll be registering as a new administrator. This time around we'll be registering Nico with the message, hey, let me be an admin. Now, upon pressing request account, an administrator will have a request sent. Now I'm going to go into our administrative account, which we are already logged into. They'll receive this email and they're able to accept the request for a new administrator by pressing request link. Now, through this, we are presented with this message that should tell us who applied to be an administrator, what their email is, and any message they put. We choose to approve or deny. We're going to approve to continue with the demo. Now, while the review is being submitted and the request has been approved, the user has now been notified by email and we can close this page. So now upon closing this, we should be able to... Now, as you can see, an email has dropped for Nico, so we can go on his email. And here is the admin request approved, which will send us to a registration link that we can use to finalize our account creation by making a password. Now we can create our account. And now we'll be prompted to be sent a verification email in order to make sure that the account was sent to the right person. Click on send verification email. And now, as you can see, the email has gotten to our inbox. By clicking this link, we'll be able to verify our account. And now, upon going back to localhost 4200, where we have our web app, we'll now be logged in, and we can see the events that are available. Now, here's what the web app looks like once you're logged in. As you can see, we have a dashboard, which is what you're currently seeing, with the events, who they're created by, when it was created, a little information about the event, and we also get the option to create new events. Here, we're able to enter an event, say tutoring, which will take place in the Culk. Obviously, these locations and names should be more descriptive than this, but for the demo's sake, we'll just keep going. The event date will be tomorrow, starting at 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., and it will end at 4. For event description, we'll just say tutoring for junior design. Now we get a pop-up saying that the event was created successfully. And upon going to the dashboard, we're able to see the new event that was created, tutoring in the Culk. And with this, the web app part is basically demoed. If we go back, now we can, let's go to the backend first, and let's see the newly created event and how it's being held. As you can see, we have the first event that we saw and the new event, tutoring for junior design in the Culk. We also have a new admin, which is Guillermo Grande, when before we only had Atlanta. Now I'll be showing the functionality of the QR code scanner we have implemented for registering for events. As you can see, we have 2 events in our application right now, cleanup at Piedmont Park and the tutoring event that we just created in this demo. Now I will show what happens when you sign up for one event and then get presented with the QR code to confirm your attendance. versus what happens if you don't sign up and try to scan a QR code. So first off, we're going to sign up for the Clean Up Piedmont Park event. Upon being signed up, we have to scan the QR code for the event. And now we're prompted with a message that says to confirm our attendance. Upon pressing confirm, we are now confirmed for the event, and we are in the back end as an user who will be attending. Now we'll try to scan the QR code for the tutoring event without signing up first. As you can see, we are prompted with a message that says we are not signed up and that we should do so before being able to confirm our attendance. So to summarize what we've just presented, we've been able to see the implementation of our web app that includes the manual event creation, the admin account creation, and the event overview on this web portal. We also walked through the QR code detection in the mobile app for event check-in, and we also showed on the backend the QR code being generated for each of the new events as they're registered. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you for the next sprint demo.